Hello YouTube, this is a new HD capture of the BBC Micro with the MMC. What I've been doing today is I've flashed the Ezcap HD 1080 with the latest firmware, which is a JEDAO file. I don't know what version it is, I'll look and put a comment in. But what I've done is I've got the update file from the Hawpage website. I think that's how you say it, is it? Hawp? I don't know, something like that. And I've also downloaded their software, which is supposed to work with the Rocket capture card, also by Hawpage. And I'm using their software on the Ezcap box because it gives a far greater range of settings. The input obviously can't be any clearer as such, but it gives you many more options to change the saturation levels, the hue, the color, blah 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 blah, volume input to volume output and all that sort of stuff. So it's much more tweakable than the Ezcap software. And to be honest, the Ezcap software is awful. They supply what is it, ArcSoft and the ULED software that's from 2006 or something. Absolute garbage. But anyway, this is it's been recorded now on the Ezcap HD 1080, which is the 284. Let me look. It is the Ezcap 284. It's a standalone box with the USB and SD slot in there, and it does HDMI input and composite and component input. It will capture the ZX Spectrum. I've just plugged it in. I haven't done anything with it, just so it came up with the Sinclair research screen, so that seems to work. I need to try it in the 64, the VIC-20, various other things. But just for the moment, I'd like people to get back to me and tell me if the volume is okay. I'm recording this with a lapel microphone, a Boya, speaking in a normal voice. I'm not shouting, I'm not whispering. I just hope that it is clear and of reasonable quality. Can't do much about my voice, sadly, but there you go. But anyway, yeah, this is the Ezcap HD 1080, which I've used before for capturing video from my PC, and it works. Hello again. Just to show that it will capture the ZX Spectrum, here we are. This is a ZX Spectrum Plus 48K. As a composite video mod, which I did some time ago. It does capture the screen slightly yellow, so I reduce the saturation. I haven't done anything with it. I've been pressing keys thinking the thing had crashed or the capture wasn't working, but I think it turns out to be that actually the keyboard doesn't work on the Spectrum. As you can see, I'm delicately pressing keys and zippo. Oh, hello. Next what? Next. Oh. Next something. Anyway, so it will capture the ZX, which is fantastic news. So that must mean it can capture whatever the peculiar resolution the ZX Spectrum is kicking out through composite, which I would imagine is some variation of 240i, 240p or whatever it is. It was some bizarre